Hello guys, welcome back to the Etech channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to create your own link in your Telegram account. So first of all, you just go to the Telegram, and then you go to the setting. As you can see my detailed account, and then you just click on the edit, and then as you can see my name, my first name and the last name, and then my number, and then username. This username is the link, so you just click on the username. You can see everything you can put over here with the first link, and then you just enter your name and the code, or you can enter whatever you want, and then just click done. Here you have your own link. Done. And then you already have the link, right? You want to copy to your friend, or your friend know your link. The other friend will see you when you put the link that I already show you. So you just want them to know your link, the Telegram link. Again, you go to the edit, and then you just click here again the username, and then click hold on the blue link here. Yes, you just click that and then copy link. Yes, the link is already done. That is your Telegram link, and then everybody can see your link. So you just go to the node, and then hold on the node, and then you want to write or anything, but you just hold on the screen on the node app, and then you just click past. Here is your Telegram link. Okay, done. So now every time you want to share or to send someone a link, so you just click here a link, and then you just click copy the link down below. That's all. And then copy the link to your friend. For example, I will send to this friend. Yeah, this friend that I want to send. You see, it's a link that you can click on that, and then you will see my account, and you can chat into my account. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, and like and share. Thank you guys.